Now, Storm Tracker 13 with the area's most powerful HD live Doppler radar.
Well, we made it to Tuesday, so we're one step closer to the weekend, but we're one step closer to the big heat really moving into the area. We hit 90 yesterday, headed up to around 91, 92 this afternoon. If we hit 90 again tomorrow, that will be our first official heat wave of 2017. Starting out cool and a beautiful, beautiful view of the sky here over South Charleston. The hues of orange, red, pink, yellow, and blue, as well as a little shading of some white above as that fog starts to burn off. The more of that red that we see in the sky, that's a signal that it's going to be a very hot day ahead with tons of sunshine. 91 degrees, the sunglasses, the sunblock, the shorts, and the t-shirts all in play today. Live Doppler radar shows that we're dry. Temperatures this hour in the 60s, 66 in Charleston, also Winfield, Point Pleasant, and Louisa, 67 in Hamlin, Huntington, Madison, 64 degrees right now. Comfortable conditions down there towards Logan and Pikeville, where they're seeing a little bit more fog right down 119. Logan over to Chattaroy, out through Williamson and Matewan and Pikeville this morning. Event forecast, fairs and festivals across there. Braxton County Fair in play out there, 91 degrees, partly cloudy skies, sunblock and hydration equal good news for you. Once you start to sweat, that's when you want to be drinking the water. You probably want to be drinking it before that, but if you're sweating profusely out there, please drink plenty of water because that means you're starting to get dehydrated. High pressure nosing in from the north. Notice not a lot of coverage here in these little green dots. Yes, a couple pop-up showers and thunderstorms right along the ridge line between West Virginia and Virginia there in the Alleghenies from Lake Moomaw up towards Snowshoe, but that's about it. High pressure meandering back and forth, all the energy up here to the north, and that's where the storm conveyor belt will stay. Showers and storms up towards Akron and Pittsburgh, while we're just baking in the oven here, and temperatures cranking up each and every day along with that humidity. Best chance of storms, though, comes in by Friday, but notice the coverage. There's not much here because that front is still up here to the north. It's by Saturday and Sunday. Once that front comes to the south, that's when we start to see the showers and storms over our neighborhood. So that ridge of high pressure winning out and really doming up the heat across here. Temperatures in most locations around West Virginia today in the 90s. Same thing in Ohio, from Rio Grande over to Gallipolis out through Pomeroy and Athens, 89 to 92. And across Kentucky from Greenup all the way down towards Elkhorn City, right around 90 degrees with mostly sunny skies, hot and humid conditions out there. And even at night, 68 degrees, a few clouds, no escaping. The air conditioners are on blast. 91 tomorrow, steamy sunshine. Stay hydrated out there. The key is to stay hydrated the next couple of days. Plenty of water with feel-like temperatures here in the red zone, 95 to 100 degrees, so you'll dehydrate pretty quickly. Look before you lock the back seat of the car because inside an enclosed surface, it's 115 to 130 degrees. And wear protective footwear. The shoes, they'll come in handy around the pool decks as well as the patios. And also for your pets, you want to limit walking them during the peak heating of the day because those surfaces down below, if you don't have any protective footwear on, 120 to 140 degrees easily, with 85 to 90 degrees on the air. Temperature could be hotter than that, and during the overnight hours will be around 71 to 73, so no relief either way you slice it here.
Yikes, you're just the bearer of bad news.
Just the bearer. it is summer though. It is summer. A lot of people already complaining, where is fall? It's 8 weekends away.
Yeah, so don't rush it.
Don't rush it. Don't rush it. We can always get into August and September and still have 90-degree temperatures.
Right, that's for sure. All right, thanks, Eric.